I'm very proud to introduce Professor Zafar Ali Choudry, not only as a very dear and personal friend and colleague, but also as a very important member of this endeavor for cancer surgery. And now I will Professor Zafar Choudry to come to the dais. Professor Zafar Ali Choudry is no stranger to this audience, and he has been with us in the medical education institutions as a surgeon and as a cancer surgeon. I will tell you something about his parents, and he has a very strong influence from his father, Rashmad Ali Choudry, and he narrated to me कि उन्होंने एक कान में अजान दी और दूसरे कान में इकबाल का कलाम सुनाया. And he absorbed all these messages. So he's a very true Muslim and he's a great follower of Allama Iqbal. He was born in Narwal, and you can see he was a very cute child and a young handsome boy. And he has a very strong impression from the teaching and grooming of his father. He excelled in all the institutions. He also went to Central Model School and then to Cadet College, Hassan Abdal, and he got Qadi Azam Medal and Talent Scholarship on securing distinction in matriculation, and Nishane-e-Hazar Scholarship for holding distinction in intermediate examination from Cadet College. This is picture from his medical Next. And he was awarded this National Talent Scholarship throughout study in King Edward Medical College. And again, he has always been aware that he has been a very handsome person all along. This is a picture from his medical college days, and this is when he got his fellowship, and this is another picture of receiving FCPS award. And we worked together in Society of Surgeons, and he was General Secretary, and he infused new vigor and energy into Society of Surgeons of Pakistan. And he was instrumental in conducting the Surgicon, which became the hallmark of Society of Surgeons. All subsequent surgical society meetings were called Surgicon. And he printed a very beautiful souvenir as well. His passion besides teaching is surgery, and he prides himself in doing excellent demonstration of anatomy and carrying out very extensive operations, Whipples and radical neck dissection, and he has attained art of perfection in that. Now once he had mastered the surgery as well as teaching, then he started the task of institution building, and he got this challenging assignment which he accepted of raising a new medical college in Sialkot, and he was the founder principal of Khwaja Safdar Medical College, and he raised this medical college from the beginning, and he stayed there to ensure that all the buildings were completed, the hospitals were completed, and during his tenure, he organized annual medical conferences, and he used to do a lot of effort to invite all the senior faculty members, and Sialkot became a place for regular medical conferences and education. While he was in Allama Iqbal Medical College and Jinnah Hospital, we saw his promise of building institution, that he converted ordinary wards into a beautiful center of learning, and he introduced CFAST, which was a fast-track surgery, and he honored all the previous predecessors in that unit, and he made that unit look like a garden, and there was a garden of healing on the terrace of the surgical unit. And these are some of the pictures of the unit in Jinnah Hospital that he renovated. And when he left Sialkot Medical College, a block of basic sciences was later on dedicated to his name, to acknowledge his contribution in development of Sialkot, Khwaja Safdar Medical College, Sialkot. He has a lot of publications and research to his credit, and he was awarded Tamga Imtiaz, which was a recognition by the government of Pakistan for his meritorious services. He also received the Tamga Iqbal for his services rendered to Sialkot Medical College development. He has always his plate full, even at his wedding, and he has always accepted challenges, and he has proved that he can prove up to all those challenges, and he has come out brilliantly after accepting and completing those challenges. He has always been a very dedicated family man. He has 5 children, and he raised them very well. I know that, and mashallah, they are all doing very well. Now, once he has accomplished a lot of things, like all of us, we look back to our roots, and he has developed a passion for farming, and he raised this orchard from the scratch. You can see the tunnel and irrigation system that is installed, and this is the nice place that he has in his village. Now he is trying to give back to the community, and he has formed an NGO which is known as Hamdam. It's named after his father, Hashmat Ali Movement for Development and Advancement of Medical Care, and he is doing projects of supplying clean drinking water, providing facilities for preventive medicine and health education, and establishing a medical education help center in the region. He has worked with physically and mentally challenged children, and he spends his time and effort and money to help them. I asked about his future plans, and after accomplishing great achievements in developing institutions, medical college and university, he wants to go back and spend more time in teaching students and spending more time in doing advanced surgery. So we are looking forward for Dr. Zafar to join the future more educational institutions as well. And this is the summary of his achievements, developing the surgical department, medical college and university, and taking these institutions to their zenith. We hope we will have more of his achievements, and the society and surgical community in particular, and Society of Surgeons as well, will benefit from his dedication and hard work. So I request him to accept the award of Society of Surgical Oncology.
Thank you, sir. I would request Chairman Sheikh Zayed, Professor Mateen Azhar, to kindly join us on the stage and bestow the Lifetime Achievement Award to Prof Zafar Ali Choudry. Professor Fazal. Professor आज आप भी सर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. हाँ जी. हाँ जी, फारूक साहब आए. अबरार. अच्छा वसीम है, आप भी ऊपर आ जाएंगे. उमर आप भी आ जाएंगे. मैं हूँ सब. क्या हाल है?
किसी को नहीं पता, ये जो मुझे सर्जिकल कैंसर की तरफ डाला था ना, ये इसका डाटा वसीम ने आज तक कलेक्ट किया. एक दिन से मैंने कहा जब पता करके बोर्ड में क्या क्या पड़ा हुआ है, कहता था ट्रामा के बाद कैंसर के वैक्सीन मरीज है. मैंने कहा ये कैंसर अभी जाना नहीं है. लंच बॉक्सेस अराउंड देयर वे. माशाल्लाह सारे पास है.
बेटे
शेर चलाना है एक अपना